Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy Glam bag for August. So it's kind of plain looking on the inside. It's this nice like olive color, pretty cute. Let's just pull everything out. Wanderlust is what the card says. Products are listed on the inside. And the first thing I got is from Mark Anthony, Grow Long Super Fast Strength Leave-In Conditioner. It detangles, reduces breakage, frizz, and split ends. It has caffeine and ginseng. I'll definitely use that, and that's a pretty big sample size, so happy with that. Also have Commodity Milk. Oh yeah, this is a perfume. So I used to get perfumes from Birchbox a lot, but they weren't the ones with like the nozzles. They were like the real annoying samples to use. But this one, I think is a pump. Yes, thank God. I like the pump ones. And this is again a pretty big sample size. And I don't think I've ever gotten one from Ipsy, a perfume. Oh. Yeah, I like that. Don't really know how to describe it, but I like it. Very cool. I don't know if it describes the scent on there. Expressive. Yeah, I like it though. I'll definitely use it. Next we have 111 Skin. This is Recovery Cream. So you put it on at night after cleansing and toning. I'm sure there's more about that in the card. And then we have On Point by Pure. This is a 4-in-1 mascara with hemp. And I do get to pick an item, and I think I chose this because I remember thinking I've never had a mascara with hemp in it, and that's pretty exciting. The last item is still in here. This is Beauty for Real. Let's see what shade it is. Black? Yep. I don't want to test it on my hand since I just sprayed it with perfume, but yeah, nice little eyeliner. So all products I will use. Let's take a look at our card. So it tells you tips and all different information about the product. Very cool. So if you guys would like to sign up for Ipsy, I will put my promo link below. And if you want to see past bags, I have tons of those on there on a playlist. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.